We have to apply the load. So select this beam and go to assign. So earlier we were applying joint load, so now we're applying the frame load because we're applying the load directly on the beam. And click on point load. So the load is dead load we are applying. So load type direction is forces. So direction of the load is gravity, that is the downward direction. And it says point load, so distance and load. So at what distance what load you want to apply. Okay, so there are two options. So relative distance from end I and absolute distance from end I. So relative distance from end I means that this entire span from this joint up to this joint will be taken as 1 meter. So we got 6 meters, but it will be taken as 1 meter, and based on that it will apply the load. Okay, so absolute distance from end I means that this entire span will be taken as 6 meters, or that is its actual length. Okay, so if we click on relative distance from end I, so we are applying the load at 0.50, that is at midway, that is at 3 meters. Okay, so we'll apply the load of 20 kilonewton. So you don't have to give minus here because the direction is gravity. And other positions we have got zero load, and click on apply and click on OK. So now you can see that load of 20 kilonewton has been applied in the downward direction. After doing this